Hey everybody, today we have a Cricut Explore 3 unboxing and setup tutorial. We're going to go step by step and not skip anything so you can see the full process and learn how to set up your brand new Cricut Explore 3, which is super exciting. So it's going to come in this big box. You're going to need either box cutters or a pair of scissors. You're gonna need to break this thing open. It has a few features. You can pause here if you would like. And then we're going to go ahead and open this thing up. It has some cool additional features and information there. So we're gonna pop open this tab, open up the box, and it says you were born creative. Pretty exciting stuff. And then we're gonna see this welcome package from Cricut. Immediately, it's going to be the first thing we're going to look at. So we're going to open this up, and on this we have a setup, cricut.com/setup, which we'll get to later, which is nice that they have that. Then they give us a piece of smart vinyl, and I'll explain that in a little bit. After that, we have a warranty and instructions if you want to read step by step, but this video will cover everything. So inside, we also have smart adhesive and iron-on vinyl cardstock and transfer tape. So they give you a few starting materials. Smart, it just means no cutting mat needed. So be careful if it's not designated as smart vinyl, you will need a cutting mat sold separately. So those few materials you can take a brief look at, but we're going to set them aside because we are going to open up our Explore 3. It has a power adapter in the bottom there, and so you're going to want to keep that, maybe unwind one of those sides with those little twisty ties to make sure you have enough room. And then we're also going to see a USB adapter. This is optional if you're using Bluetooth. I'd highly recommend using Bluetooth instead. It's easier, and so we'll have that. We also have a little silica packet, so it keeps things fresh. Next, we're going to actually pop open the rest of the bubble wrap packaging, and then we're going to take a look at the Explore 3. The Explore 3. So this is kind of a mint color, looks nice, and we're going to hit this button on the side that is going to open up the machine. The power does not need to be on for this, but you're going to want to remove this foam block, and then you have these 4 buttons: power, feed, go, and stop, and we'll be using all of these today, so you're gonna want to get familiar with them. We also have a USB port in the back and then a power port on the other side. We're only going to need this power port side, so plug in the power to your Cricut machine, make sure it snaps in, and then plug in the power outlet to your power, and then hit the power button. Okay, it's going to turn on your Cricut machine, it's going to calibrate, it's going to set the cutter in the correct spot. Now we're going to go to cricut.com/setup, and this is needed so that we can set up our new Cricut and use their software, Design Space. Okay, so if you haven't downloaded it, do that. Once you're in, you're going to set up a new machine. We're going to select our Cricut, which is an Explore 3, and then we're going to go to the next step, which is to prepare our workplace. Make sure you have a little bit of room on the back side, and then you find the power outlets, which we have already done. Everything's ready to rock. All we need to do is enable this Bluetooth. Okay, so select Bluetooth if your computer has that option. You're going to want to do this on a desktop or laptop. Wait for your Bluetooth to appear, and it'll say Explore 3 and then some random numbers and letters. Connect to that, and then in Design Space, we're going to get this confirmation message and some cool confetti there. So it's now active, and now we can get to the fun part, which is going to be the actual cutting process. So we're going to go through this test, this vinyl with the smart vinyl. We're going to check to make sure our blade is secured, and we're going to insert and cut this smart adhesive vinyl. So check clamp B, it's already good to go. We're now going to insert the smart vinyl. It's matless, so we don't need a cutting mat underneath that. Just hit feed and make sure it's up against those rubber bumpers on the sides there, and make sure it gets fed in. Once that's squared away, we're going to hit the go button, and then the Cricut machine is going to do its thing. And I noticed it was quiet, and it cut about twice as fast as our Explore 2, which we have a separate tutorial on for that. And so once that's done, hit the feed button again to remove the vinyl. And now we're going to take a quick look. It looks awesome, very nicely cut. and then just remove that vinyl. If you had a weeding tool, it would have been easier, but I just used my fingers, and so that's always an option. Finally, we're going to want to get familiar with Design Space. So you're going to be able to set up new projects, import images, print then cut just regular adhesive vinyl, transfer paper, and you're going to be able to make a lot of cool designs. So hopefully you enjoy this. Check out our website, royalelements.com, for more information.